Today, we're taking you through an incredible log home that feels like it's been torn from the pages of a luxury magazine.
Perched atop a 5.5 acre paradise property, this handcrafted white pine dovetail log home is rich in architectural detail and features one of the most impressive great rooms that I've ever seen.
Designed for those who dream of living a life surrounded by nature's beauty and tranquility, every log in this home has a story, and we can't wait to tell it to you on this episode of Signature Tours with Mark and Tim. All right, we're excited for this tour because log homes like this do not come up very often, and this one, it's truly a work of art. We're going to take you inside shortly, but before we do, a couple details. This home is located on the second concession, about 10 minutes from Williamsford and Markdale. The property itself is on 5.5 acres with a variety of trees and tasteful landscaping. The home sits atop a hill, and right beside the property is 100 acres of conservation area that you can enjoy and hike down to the Negro Creek Lake system. You actually feel like you're in the middle of nowhere here, but really you're about a half hour to everything, including the city of Owen Sound and the ski hills at Blue. This property truly is ideal for the outdoor enthusiast.
The current owners had a vision they wanted in a home, and it was implemented by renowned log home builder Scott Hay. Constructed primarily with Ontario white pine, the logs boast an impressive depth of approximately 10 inches, ensuring both structural stability and a cozy atmosphere inside. But one of my favorite parts has to be this wraparound veranda. It offers a picturesque setting for summer gatherings with loved ones or tranquil moments alone. Imagine sitting out here taking in the views as a gentle breeze flows through. Let's get inside and check this place out. Stepping into the heart of this home, the great room unfolds into a spectacle of grandeur. This room was designed to be a warm and welcoming space where people want to be. It features a renovated kitchen that exudes rustic charm and modern functionality. The large, sleek quartz island contrasts beautifully with the custom Mennonite-built wood cabinets. Floating walnut shelves in the antique style fridge and stove add a touch of vintage elegance. The formal dining room and living room each have their own patio, allowing easy access to that walk-around veranda. And we have to talk about this 13-foot window that allows you to experience nature from the comfort of inside your home. Every space in this room points towards this 24-foot floor-to-ceiling ledge rock fireplace that is the center of this room, connecting the soaring ceilings and contrasts wonderfully with the exposed 24-inch wide hand-hewn logs. All right, Mark is gonna show you the rest of the home shortly, and there is a spa-like bathroom that you're not gonna wanna miss, but first, let's head on up to this loft space, and it's accessed through this beautiful staircase here made of half logs with cedar and walnut railings. This loft space adds such a unique feel to the home, and every log home needs to have one of these. When you're up here, you can really appreciate how much detail goes into a house like this. Take a look at these 10,000-pound red oak purlins that support the weight of the roof of this home. Absolutely beautiful. Get up close with the staircases. You can see the handmade wooden nails that are supporting them together. This home needs to be seen in person to appreciate the architectural significance that it has. Okay, back down to the main floor. Mark's gonna meet you there and show you through that and the basement. Lots more to see. Stick around.
Okay, that side of the house is stunning, absolutely. Coming on down this hallway here back towards the entry of the house, you have the primary bedroom off to the east side of the home here, very large, again carrying through with those wood log details. And normally a house like this, sometimes, you know, they get a little overloaded with the rustic charm. This is a nice injection of luxury in this beautiful spa-like bathroom. Coming on in, you have the double sinks with the nice custom cabinetry, glass shower, and that gorgeous freestanding bathtub with the corner windows allowing you to overlook that private piece of paradise. So we're coming back here to the main hallway of the house. We have the front door to the left, the rear door to the right with a handy laundry line, and the garage right behind, which also carries through with the log walls and details. All right, coming on down this gorgeous staircase, again, that handcrafted detail is evident. This is truly a special piece. The owners are really fond of it. It's carved from a single piece of red pine. It was actually a hydro pole. They was salvaged and they carved it on site. Beautiful piece of detail there. You could almost think this is as a bonus area down here. A lot of times these log homes, they don't have a finished basement. This has full access to the outside through this walkout, a really cozy little living area here to kind of get away from it. This freestanding fireplace may look small, but it provides a ton of heat for the home. It radiates up and through that upper level fireplace as well too. Coming on down this way, and if I had some bare feet on, I would feel these nice warm floors, courtesy of the geothermal in-floor heating system, which covers the downstairs here. So you have that perfect blend of rustic log house charm with the modern conveniences and technology. Coming on down the hallway, we have a full 4-piece bath, an additional bedroom, and this bedroom here, worth mentioning, the entire walls have been soundproofed, so if you're a shift worker or someone sleeps very lightly, this is going to be the room you're going to want to claim. Again, so much detail to cover in a home like this. It really is impossible to cover it all in 5 minutes. Let's go back upstairs, see what Tim's up to, and continue on this tour.
You know, Mark, there's a level of distinctiveness this log home has. What I mean is if you're familiar with log homes, you've seen a lot of them, there's just something different about this one, from the size of the logs to all the different architectural pieces that they put together in here. It's something that you cannot easily replicate.
Points, Tim, you know, to me, this is what it's all about right here. Sitting in front of the fire, looking out the windows, checking out that beautiful piece of your own little paradise.
If you want to see this place in person, which we would strongly recommend, reach out to us, contact details below. And while you're at it, please do us a favor, like the channel, subscribe as well. Make sure you follow us on social media so you never miss one of our great Bruce property tours.